Hello, today we will guide you through how to import chart of accounts in Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll import a chart of accounts into Xero so you can set up or update your ledger quickly and accurately. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your financial reporting, so taking a moment to prepare the file and follow each step carefully will save time later. Start by signing into Xero and opening the home page for the organization you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct company and that you have the necessary permissions to manage the chart of accounts. Having the right access ensures you can complete the import without interruptions. From the Xero homepage, go to the top menu and select Accounting. In the drop-down, choose Chart of Accounts. This brings you to the full list of your current accounts, including codes, names, and types. If you're replacing or adding accounts, it's a good idea to quickly review what's already there so you understand how the import will fit in. If needed, consider downloading a copy of your current chart as a reference before proceeding. Next, click the Import option. This opens the Chart of Accounts uploader. Before you choose your file, double-check that your spreadsheet follows Xero's template format. Typically, you'll want columns for account code, name, type, and tax settings. Keep account codes unique, avoid leading zeros if your standards don't use them, and confirm that any account types you've listed match Xero's supported types. Small details like these help the import run smoothly. Now click Browse to locate your file. Navigate to the sample or template-based file you've prepared on your computer. If you're using a sample file as a starting point, make sure you've replaced the placeholder rows with your real account data and removed anything you don't need. Confirm that the file is saved in a compatible format, such as CSV, and that column headers are clearly labeled. With the file selected, proceed by clicking Import. Xero will read the file and validate the information. If there are any issues like duplicate account codes, unsupported account types, or missing required fields, you'll see messages letting you know what to fix. Simply correct the file on your computer and re-import. When everything looks good, the accounts will be added or updated in your chart. That's it. You navigated to Accounting, opened Chart of Accounts, used the Import tool, selected your prepared file, and completed the import. Your chart is now organized and ready to support accurate reporting and day-to-day bookkeeping.